Quality, usable data is integral to your factory digitalization vision. To appropriately feed your production systems, from traceability tools to advanced analytics software, context-specific and meaningful data is required. Bad data jeopardizes any smart factory goal and increases the risk of making poor and misinformed business decisions and process improvements. At Kajascan, our data management solution puts high-quality, rich data into your hands. We transform your factory-wide data, collecting, storing, accessing, and exchanging data across your manufacturing operation. With our platform, you'll no longer worry about the complications of getting data from so many disparate sources within your production ecosystem, nor how to standardize formatting to seamlessly exchange information across your operation. We solve that headache for you. Our meaningful data transformation model guarantees domain-appropriate data enrichment specifically for SMT manufacturing. Providing meaning to your collected factory data, this guarantees you can properly analyze manufacturing metrics and KPIs to your needs. With a central repository for all collected data, you can take advantage of a single, centralized storehouse for collecting, consolidating, and storing factory-level data. This system, coupled with our open architecture platform, allows you to easily share data. We include multiple standardized interfaces for enterprise data exchange, such as DB, RPC Web Service API, and OLAP. Additionally, our Open Interface module provides Web Service API for synchronous transaction-based communication, ideal for interfacing with MES, MOM, ERP, and PLM systems. We've built robust and reliable enterprise system integrations with leading commercial and proprietary software systems within the electronics manufacturing industry. For larger installations across multiple sites, our multi-server, multi-database architecture is equipped with built-in tools for high-volume data processing and long-term retention, as well as fast retrieval. Relied on by mission-critical large electronics manufacturers globally for over 20+ years, Kajascan's data management solution provides you with the manufacturing intelligence to push your factory towards the ultimate factory digitalization vision.